Radiation Safety, BMI4113, Radionuclide Imaging. Hi everyone, I'm Latifah Wan Teh, Bachelor of Medical Imaging Part-Time, Cohort 1. I would like to present about Radiation Monitoring Device. The introduction. The requirement for a radiological monitoring program is stipulated in the Radiation Protection Basic Safety Standard Regulation 2010 under Act 304. The radiation monitoring is required for the following reasons: to assess the radiation exposure situation in compliance with regulatory requirements, to verify the effectiveness of radiation protective measures established, and to identify occurrence of any abnormal radiation exposure situation. There are four main types of radiation detectors. First, gas field detectors. Second, scintillation detectors. Third, semiconductor detectors. And photographic films. The type of monitoring instrumentation. Radiation surveymeter. Gas field or scintillation detector is the commonly used detector for the portable surveymeter. High voltage to the detector system is normally supplied by a battery. Integrated radiation detector or alarm system. The system is normally equipped with scintillation detectors. The alarm is triggered when the radiation level exceeds its set values. Equipment for environmental monitoring. For the environmental monitoring, it should be capable of detecting specific types of energies of radioactive contaminants in the surrounding environment. The detector made of semiconductor material equipped with multi-channel analyzer. It can detect a spectrum of gamma energy emitted by radioactive material. This system is known as gamma spectrometer. Contamination monitoring equipment. A high-sensitivity detector system is needed for contamination monitoring. Zinc sulfide is a scintillation detector suitable for detection of alpha and beta emitters of radioactive contaminants. Simple gigamolar counter may be used for cross-detection of radioactive contaminants. Personal monitoring system. Film batch. Film batch consists of photographic emulsion mounted in plastic and wrapped in thin, light-tight paper and placed in a plastic holder called cassette. The sensitive part of the film is the emulsion. The film batch is designed to detect both beta particles and gamma rays. Thermoluminescent dosimeters or TLD. TLD is a device utilizing the thermoluminescence properties of materials such as lithium fluoride to measure radiation dose. It can absorb and store radiation energy and is stable at room temperature. The stored energy is released as light photon emission upon heating at a suitable temperature, usually about 200 degrees Celsius. The amount of photon released is proportional to the dose of radiation absorbed by the material. Direct reading dosimeter or PAN dosimeter. PAN dosimeter is an ion chamber type detector. There are two types of PAN dosimeter, namely self-reading pocket monitor and condenser type pocket chamber. The latter requires a separate device for both charging and obtaining results. The conclusion. The monitoring is performed at workplace to ensure the safety of workers, patients, and the public. A proper layout plan should be made prior to the implementation of any ionizing equipment or unsafe source in the workplace. Therefore, a suitable sensor is required to detect and estimate the intensity of ionizing radiation. That's all from me. Thank you.